Hey, what if I told you there's one simple thing that you can do, and you can do it today, and you will increase your income and profits, and it's not going to cost you a single dime? Would you be interested? Yeah, I thought so. So here's the deal. Look, let's face it, we're on YouTube here, and this secret has really taken me over 20 years to develop and refine, and in fact, prove. But I'm not going to put it here on YouTube for every casual guy coming along and, picking my brain, so to speak. But I will give it to you absolutely no problem, no charge, nothing. I want nothing for this. So how do you find out? Hey, if you're a repair shop owner, you're not going to want to miss this. It's my brand new masterclass where I expose 20 years of tips, tricks, hacks, and strategies that I've used with my private clients to help them grow their multiple 7-figure repair shops. Right now, you can get on the early bird list so you'll be the first to know when this is released. There's a link below in the description that's titled Early Bird List, and you can go ahead and sign up right then and there. You'll be the first to know, and you'll be on your way. Now, the only other thing you have to do is sit tight because we're getting back to the video. How do you find out? Look, there's a link down below in this video, and you can book your one-on-one strategy call with me personally. We'll get on the phone, and inside of 15 minutes, I will share this one secret that's taken over 20 years to develop and refine, and by the way, prove, but hold on, I'll tell you about that in a second. And we'll get on a call. This is not a sales hook. This is not an attempt to try to sell you something. I will give you the details and answer all your questions without any question and show you everything about this one secret that I promise will add to your income and profits immediately. So I told you that this was proven. So let me tell you this. One of my clients took this strategy and implemented it immediately. In the following year, he added over $22,000 to his bottom line income, money in his pocket. And he did it all without working harder or coming in earlier or staying later. I promise. This is dead simple if you understand the strategy and implement this secret. So you can do that today. Down below, go ahead and book your strategy call with me. Look, that link is going away because my calendar, things are changing. But as soon as you do that and book that call with me, you'll automatically be added to my personal calendar. So I know you're there. I know we've got a call, and everything is going to happen the day and time. Now, the only other thing you really have to do is go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe, because that way you'll get all the tips, tricks, hacks, and strategies that I use with my private clients to help them grow their car count, income, and profit. So go ahead and do that. And, then we can talk a little bit later. Book your call now, because that calendar is not going to be around for long, and you won't want to miss this. By the way, how else would you make that extra money to buy me a beer, right? Come on, let's do it.